everybody, this is Jen from Scrapping Posh, and I am here with my Uncommon Plan haul, Uncommon Plans, and I wanted to share with you my planner kits that I got. These are digital planner kits, so you go to the Etsy store, Uncommon Plans, you download these, they have a PDF available, or they have a studio file that all you have to do is import it into your Cameo. You print it and do the cut, so print and cut. And I did these, I had no issue whatsoever. They all cut beautifully. This one is called Winter Deer Planner Girl. And let me make sure. Winter Deer Planner Girl. And it's really cute for winter. There are some evergreen trees. You see the lady here with pinks and blues and nice, like, I like to call it like a jungle green. It's like a green, dark green blue, but it's dark green, but it still manages to be kind of like pastel. So I'm going to zoom you way in here so you guys can see. And this kit, it's a large kit. It comes with 4 full sheets. One of them is like a quad box, and then you have different deco, different sized girls, the deer, the cabin, deer in front of some trees, and then like everything together, and then some of these nice blue winter flowers there. And then the full boxes, just a couple more options here, and it looks like some nice pinks, and then we have the large checklists in the same colors, the smaller checklists, and the banners. There's the half boxes with, you definitely can write in these because the middles are kind of off, I want to say like faded, so you can write in the middle. And you have your functionals, you have your trackers, bills due, you got little laptops here, your appointments, and some, I wonder what I call those, quarter boxes. And then your functional stickers, and some like washi for the top, I think. Yeah, that's for the top, like where the days are. These are Happy Planner ones. She has the Erin Condren ones and mini Happy Planners, so definitely check those out too. And then there's I don't know what to call these, glitter headers, I think, and then the days, and then your bottom washi for the Happy Planner. And I actually use my Paper House planner, and they fit. I do have a Happy Planner though to do some rewinds in. So that's the Winter Girl. And then this is really exciting because this is a freebie on the Facebook group Uncommon Planners, and it's a mini kit, and this is a Happy Planner kit. And she has lots of freebies on her Facebook group, so definitely go to Uncommon Planners, and if you have any questions about the print and cut, or if you can do it, or if your printer's high quality, so you could do it right there for free. Make sure that everything works out well before you purchase anything, so I mean that's a bonus. And if you go to Uncommon Plan's Etsy shop, use the code JENN, JENN 25 for 25% off. My little coupon code there for you guys. So isn't their little groundhog cute? So Groundhog's Day obviously was last week, and like I said, this is a free mini kit. And then you have your choice: 6 more weeks of winter or welcome spring. And then Groundhog's Day. It even comes with some little functional stickers, some banners, It comes with 4 full boxes and your large lists. It comes with your glitter headers, and then these cute quarter boxes with the glitter arrow, some bottom washi, and then some half boxes and some appointment stickers and stuff. So that's really cute for a mini kit. I am going to use this on the Groundhog's Day week. And then I had to purchase this just because I had to purchase it. And this is a Labyrinth kit, and this one is 3 full sheets. And there's your full boxes. It is so cute. I just love it. And then you have some washi here, really cute patterns, designs. Obviously your bottom washi. Your little half boxes. It says magic. And then the checklist with it has the orb that they have in the movie. Cute. And then some little deco stickers, which are super cute. They have the spoon, the flower, the clock, and then some really unique, I like this like earth color glitter. And then it's got all the characters, super cute. Of course, you have David Bowie twice. And then some functional stickers, which these are cute because they're a little smaller than the ones that she has now. This is, I think this kit's a little bit older. It's not super old, but it's a little older. And all the little icons are so happy. Like even the toilet's happy, little kawaii toilet. And then your trackers, your weekly trackers. That's the Labyrinth kit, and that is a Happy Planner kit also. And then, I'm going to zoom you out. This is an older kit, so it's in a little bit different format. Doesn't have the cut-up parts for the 4x6s. It is a full 8.5 by 11, and this one's called Ice Queen. And this is a weekly kit, and this one's also for the Happy Planner. And this one has, I'm not sure, but it looks like 2.5 boxes. And these are separate, so it's just a little bit different of a format, but like I said, it's like, it goes like that. It's an older kit, so you could definitely split these. They don't have to go together. So yeah, it's an older kit, but I still like it. Here's your full boxes. I really like the darker blue, and the checklists are snowflakes. And then we have some washi, some habit trackers, half boxes, quarter boxes, and then some functionals down at the bottom. And again, this is an older kit, so they're just a little different than they are right now. So super cute. And then very last, I have some functional stickers, and these are really cute. And they do cut out. Mine just didn't cut out right. The stickers are cut out just fine. It's just, I'm going to take a pair of scissors and cut them into individual sheets. But I have the napping kitty, the exercise kitty, which is perfect because I'm going to start going to the gym this week. Zoom you in so you can see these little guys. Napping kitty, exercise kitty, reading kitty, and I needed a book kitty because I didn't have one. And then I think this is ice cream, like she's eating ice cream, and she's a little unicorn kitty, so super cute. You can see all of them right there. Alright, so I just wanted to share that with you. Again, Uncommon Plans on Etsy. It is a digital store. Best part about digitals is once you download them, you can use them again and again. You do not have to continue buying them. You do not have to wait for shipping. You do not have to pay for shipping. So it is perfect for me. And if you have any questions, any doubts, if you don't think that you would like that, then definitely go to the Facebook group at Uncommon Plans, the Facebook group Uncommon Planners, and download some free digital ones and see if you like using them. You just you request to join the Uncommon Planners, and then you go into the downloads, or no, it's not downloads, it's files. You go into the files tab and there's a whole bunch of different downloads for you. And again, if you don't use the Happy Planner, if you use the Erin Condren Planner, she has several kits that have the Erin Condren Planner and the new mini Happy Planner, which I can't wait to get one. It is on my list of things to buy. Alright, you guys, so I just wanted to share that with you. I thank you very much. Head on over to Uncommon Plans on Etsy and use code JEN25. Everything is down in the description box for you, and I thank you very much. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.